still sitting on designs that feel funny but just don't sell? Yeah, it's probably not your artwork. You're just picking the wrong niches at the wrong time. That's where this video comes in. I'm giving you 5 low competition niches that are trending right now, and they are funny, giftable, and summer proof. Whether you're targeting proud preschool parents, ice cream core aesthetic fans, bookworms on vacation, or people who can't stop quoting internet memes. These are designed to sell fast and feel fresh across Amazon Merch, Etsy, Redbubble, or wherever you upload. I found these with Merch Informer, validated the keywords, and matched them with ready-to-use AI prompts you can drop straight into Ideogram. And who am I? I'm RJ Martinez. I've done print on demand for over 8 years, sold over $400,000 in royalties all time. And now I help sellers like you to skip the fluff and get to what works. So if you're tired of uploading basic stuff that gets ignored, these 5 niches might just revive your business and get you motivated. Let's get into it. Before I break down these 5 niches, let me give you a quick refresher on how I find these t-shirt ideas that are actually worth your time. Because I don't do guess and upload, I follow a system and it works. Step 1, I use the autocomplete in Amazon and Etsy to see what buyers are typing. Step 2, I check Amazon's bestseller rank, BSR. If the top shirts are under 500K, people are buying. Step 3, I cross-check the trend on Google and Redbubble. If it's hot across platforms, I'm in. Step 4, I plug it all into Merch Informer for low competition keyword combos. Then I wrap it up with AI prompt ideas so I can go from concept to upload in minutes. And that's how you stay ahead and stay consistent. Now let's jump into niche number 1. Okay, so the first niche idea booked for the summer. Now you're gonna see right here, got the elements, the sun, the book, sunglasses, got some coffee, and got a little drink right here. Pretty cool, simple, cool design, right? And one thing you notice too, it takes up the whole design space, which is really nice. So it's like very big on the thumbnail on Amazon.com. And if we come down here, we look at the all-time sales, you're gonna see it's made its first sale on May 6th, which is the beginning of this month. But look at that, it's consistently selling this whole month, which is really good because we look for stuff like this, especially like newer designs, newer trends, anything like that. It's really good because this is something that's going to rank into the algorithm and make sales pretty fast, consistently, and you turn it into a top seller. We come over here, booked for the summer reading t-shirt. We have a result of 217, and here are a few other designs. This is the one we looked at, and here are 2 more right there. And then we come over here to ideogram.ai. Everything that I'm using tool is going to be down below in the description. So keep that in mind. Throughout this whole video, I'll be sharing tips and showing you different ideas. And this is going to be the prompt idea right here. So go ahead and pause the video if you want to see the actual prompt right there. This is the one it created. This one's freaking really cool. You can see how detailed this is right here. Okay. With inside Ideogram, this is an AI image generator. You can download it. You can remove the background. You can upscale. There's a few different things that are really cool back here, but that's the prompt I put in. And look at the other images that it created or designs. I think this one's probably my favorite one. Book for the summer. Book for this one's not bad either. Book for the summer, pretty cool, but I think this one's my favorite one. Book for the summer. All right, next one. So long, pre-K. It's been fun. Look out, kindergarten. Here I come. Got a dinosaur with a backpack, sunglasses, and you see the monster truck with the American flag theme right here, right? The little pencils on each side. Pretty cool. Right now, you're thinking about this right here. This is for obviously for kids, which is pretty cool. So here I come. Graduation. You can see the keywords that they're using too. Just keep that in mind when it comes to any of this. Looking at the keywords because they tell a story, and it's more targeting kids. Like mom and dad are buying this t-shirt for a kid, or grandpa, grandma, or aunt, or uncle, something like that. So something like this works really well, but it's pretty cool because think about it, you can't find something like this in store. You would only search for something like this online. Come down. Let's look at the all-time sales. You're going to see it's made its first sale. Okay, May 12th, right? It's made its first sale May 12th, and look at that. Okay, made its first sale, but then it's consistently, so it's dropped down again, drop down again, drop down again. Every time it makes a sale, it gets lower and lower. So if it goes up, so it made a sale, we get a sales rank right here. Then it goes up. So when it goes up right here, it drops down. That means it's made a sale. And it does it again, made another sale, made another sale. The lower it goes, the more sales velocity that kicks in. So it could probably be making 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sales a day. At this rate right here, it's probably making anywhere between 1 to 2. When you get lower to like 100K BSR or sales rank, that's when it starts to really turn in where you start to make 5, 10 to 20 sales a day. All depends, right? It all depends. It fluctuates. Keep that in mind. Now we come over here. So long, pre-K, preschool, graduation, kindergarten. Here I come. You're going to see we have a result of 325. And then to give you an idea, here are some other designs in this niche. Okay, we come over here to ideagram.ai. So long, pre-K. It's been fun. Look out, kindergarten. Here I come. And here is the prompt idea right there. For me personally, it seems like there's no, that was not bad at all. Seems like a lot of text going on, but it's doing pretty good, right? It's not what you want at the end of the day. The market decides what's good and what's bad because the customer is the one that's making the purchase. All right, next idea. Dust shit. So hound dog. 4th of July, American flag. And now remember, 4th of July is coming up in July, 4th of July, right? But look what they did here. This theme right here is pretty cool. Okay, got the like the American flag theme on the little Dushed Hound, and 4.6 out of 5, 7 ratings. And they got it marked down to 16. Amazon's doing that little sale, 16, 13, 15% off, little discount marker on there. And if you come down, let's look at the all-time sales. You're going to see this one's made its first sale last year of 2024 in April, but it's consistently just turning. And let's see if it gets lower. It does get pretty low right here. Like when you get closer to 4th of July towards the end of June, it gets real low, which is really nice, but it's consistently selling. So this is more of leveraging like a holiday, but then it's turned into more of a patriotic type of design. And it's, you can see right here, like with Memorial Day this weekend, right? You can see like it's went down a little bit and it started making more sales because probably people are wearing this out and about right now. So this is something that people are standing pride for, American pride. And then they have this type of dog. So now, but think of like different dogs. Okay. So different types of breeds. You can do other stuff right here. Anything I'm sharing with you, just take the concept, take that idea, and just try to mix it in. What else can you do? What else can you branch out to? There's different breeds of dogs, like English Bulldog. I have English Bulldog. There's Yorkies. There's so many different dogs out there that you can mix this in with right here. Now we come over here. Dushed Hound, 4th of July, Patriotic American t-shirt, 261, okay? And if we come down, we look at this, you can see like what the other type of designs they did with the American flag with the dogs. The silhouette, which is really cool. We got the sunglasses on right here, really cool. It's the one that we just looked at. And this is really cool too. There's 3 of them right here doing different poses. Okay. Oh, here's another one. Here's another golden doodle. Those are real popular right now. See a lot of those dogs. Come down. Let's see what else we got. But it seems like this niche is doing pretty well. Okay, by looking at the sales rank. Let's come over here into Ideagram AI. This is the actual prompt right there. Got that. So go ahead and pause it if you want to. And you can see what it created. This is really cool. That design. That one's really cool too. That one's really cool too. It's showing actually like the whole body with the little feet. This one too. These are all pretty good. Okay. They're all pretty dang good right there. All right. So the next niche, you're going to have this Parisian Eiffel Tower Paris Cherry Blossom. That right there, right? This is looking good on the lighter colors, which is really nice. And one thing too, the cherry blossom, you're seeing the cherry blossom on the actual design. So when you think about any of this stuff right here, the Eiffel Tower, you're looking at what else can you do to be different? And they're making sure that they include cherry blossom into the keywords, right? So that's probably like a big thing over there. I've never seen the Eiffel Tower in person, but when it comes to this right here, I'm thinking like this right here is a big thing over there. And that's what I'm assuming, but it's making sales, right? So just think of something like that. The little detail work that can make you different from the rest of your competition, which can be really cool. We come down here, look at the all-time sales. The first sale is on May 15th, right? Which is about what, like 10 days ago, it's made its first sell. And then it's consistently selling, which is really good. So this is like more of a trend right here, right? Something new, something that's up, and then it's consistently selling. This is what we look for as print-on-demand sellers. Okay, it doesn't matter where you're selling at online. You can sell on Amazon, Etsy, Redbubble, TeePublic, your own website. You're seeing stuff like this on the #1 online shopping platform. This is a good sign. And if we come over here, we have a result of 275 Parisian Souvenir Eiffel Tower Paris. And then if we come down, we look at the BSRs, right? There's some good BSRs over here. You look at the overall pick one right here, 155K. So this is a turning right now, making a good amount of sales. Okay, and then we come over here. This is the prompt that I put in to create this actual design, right? Pretty nice. That's pretty, that's really clean too. Some really cool designs that it created over here, right? So it's really good right here. Really cool designs. Next one, I can't pet that dog, right? So it's a hiker, animal lover, funny bear meme. So like when it comes to anything like this, you're understanding like what niche it's targeting. Okay, so it's probably targeting hikers that have a good sense of humor when it comes to stuff like this. 1999, 5.0 out of 5 rating. Okay, let me come down. Let's look at the all-time sales. All right, it's made its first sale in April of last month, which is really cool because look at this. It makes its first sell, then it goes down, and then it starts to consistently sell. Now, as a print-on-demand seller, this is something that I look forward to as well. It's consistency, right? We're looking for that consistency in a niche. Okay, come over here. Can I pet that dog bear meme t-shirt? We have a result of 947. And you can see like the different type of designs. This is the one that we were looking at right there. Now, if we come over here, can I pet that dog? That's a cool one, right? Kind of that retro style effect. Now, if you hear is the prompt, okay? There's some cool ones, little cute little bear, right? This one good. That's pretty cool. This one's pretty cool too. I like the face of the bear showing that on the actual design. So if you're thinking, I wish someone would just hand me this kind of research every week, that's exactly what I do. Check out the top research design vault. For just $10 a month, you'll get 20 low competition POD niches, AI ready prompts, keyword suggestions, plus slogan angles, and a clear strategy for getting your uploads out fast. The link's going to be down below in the description. Now, here's a quick recap. We covered a summer bookworm classic, a preschool to kindergarten celebration, a patriotic dog party shirt, a Eiffel Tower gym, and a meme-inspired design. Drop a comment and tell me which one you are uploading first. And if this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell. Next week, I will have another set of niches. Until then, get those uploads up. Thank you very much for watching. And if you want more niche research like this, watch this video right here next. Peace out.